Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Stouffer's mac and cheese. To a pot we're going to add water. Remember, salt your water when you're making pasta. Now we're going to let this water come to a boil. And then we're going to cook our pasta until it's al dente. In a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add 1 cup of skim milk. And 5 teaspoons of flour. Whisk that together. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of butter or margarine. And we're going to add 2 cups of shredded mild cheddar. Just going to mix that until the cheese begins to melt. Now that the cheese is beginning to melt, we're going to reduce the heat to low. And we're going to simmer this for 30 minutes. And we're going to stir it every couple minutes. Now that the cheese sauce is thickened up and done and the noodles are done, we're going to add the cheese sauce to the noodles. Mix the noodles and macaroni up. We're going to add the macaroni to an 8x8 pan. Now we're going to cover and freeze. Now when you're ready to cook it, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake from 50 to 53 minutes or until the cheese begins to brown slightly. Now that we baked the macaroni, it's got some nice color. It's time to eat. Time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's alright. It's not worth the hassle of cooking the cheese for 30 minutes. But it don't taste too bad. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.